Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov combination for today, being 15th of September 2024. Let's get into it. Like I said yesterday, the most important thing about the major airdrop is the pattern in which you need to place the images on the tiles. So for today, 15th September 2024, the correct order is 8, 4, 10, and 1. So it's 8, 4, 10, and 1. So let's check it out. So it worked. Please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me your suggestion or questions on the comment section. I'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you for staying with me on this one, and I'll see you on the next. Thank you. Bye.